Meteorologist Craig Herrera is joining us now. Talk about what's happening weather-wise out there tonight. What are we looking for?
We're getting a break. We're going to have a nice little break to get some things done. Somebody said, hey, can I rake up the leaves now? Yeah, this is your chance because this weekend it all changes. Hey, some impressive rainfall totals, though, with this system that came through. Yesterday's rainfall totals look good. Over the past 24 hours, SeaTac added another 0.4, just about. Yesterday, a little more than a quarter. We've got 0.12 for Everett over to Shelton, almost 0.2, and Mount Vernon about 1/10 or so. Look at this great shot. We're looking out over the waterfront, the great wheel. The clouds are still there, but they're starting to clear. With the clearing clouds, you know that does mean it is going to be cold tonight. This is going to be the first of many cold nights ahead. Here's the satellite and radar. We're giving it a bit of a break. Current temperatures are mostly in the 40s. We will drop about 10 degrees from where you see these numbers now. So a lot of mid and upper 30s. A dry northerly wind coming on through Oak Harbor at about 16 miles per hour. Tacoma at about 10. So not real strong, but a nice dry breeze. As we look at the forecast for the next several days, we've got high pressure starting to build in. That means the storm tracks that are all coming in are going to stay well to the north. We'll start each morning with clouds and some fog, then some sunshine during the afternoon. Now, all the cold air that's bottled up to the north, the jet stream, watch what happens as we go through Saturday and Sunday. It starts to move down to the south. The storms start to come through, and we basically say the storm doors will open by late Saturday, especially Sunday. That's when we'll get some pretty rainy conditions on Sunday, another cold day, and a very cold system moving in on Monday and Tuesday. When I show you the 7-day forecast, you'll see the afternoon highs are only going to be into the 40s and overnight lows into the 30s. How far does the snow fall? We'll have to watch that closely. Right now, we're just going to call it a very cold system. Tonight, look at these numbers. Everett, 35. Arlington, you will fall below the freezing point probably after midnight as soon as the clouds clear. We'll get down to about 36 in Olympia, lots of mid-30s for Shelton, over to Renton as well. Port Angeles, 36. Your highs tomorrow, we'll manage mostly mid and upper 40s and a couple of low 50s. That should do it for us. Now remember, we'll start off with cloudy, foggy conditions tomorrow morning, maybe a little bit of mist and drizzle for the morning commute. Then the afternoon sunshine comes out. All right, so the cold system I'm talking about, here's your 7-day forecast. So 51 tomorrow, but look at the end of the week. So let me step out of the map here. We've got 52 after we start the morning, at 35 on Thursday. Friday, we're at 50. We'll stay with upper 40s and low 50s. On Sunday, the rain picks up into Monday as well. Look at those highs, mid 40s at best. Joyce and Mark, it's going to be a cold one next one.
All righty. Craig, thank you.